I've been trying to make money in affiliate marketing for months, but nothing seems to work. I'm so lost.
Hey there! Are you struggling with affiliate marketing? Don't worry, I'm here to help.
Who the heck are you?
I'm an expert affiliate marketer, and I want to help you achieve your goals. Let me show you the way. First things first, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for every sale you make. By partnering with companies, you can earn money by promoting their products to your audience. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved.
I know, but it's not as easy as it seems. There are so many techniques and strategies that you need to learn to be successful in affiliate marketing, and it's just overwhelming.
That's where I come in. I'll show you how you can get step-by-step guidance and training to help you build your affiliate business by covering the basics of affiliate marketing, and further to help hone your skills through ongoing mentorship and support. I'll show you by using engaging videos with relatable examples and case studies to inspire and inform you. And the best part is that you can do affiliate marketing from anywhere. You're not bound to an office. All you need is internet connectivity. Here's the amazing part. You can make money in your sleep. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Join the many successful affiliate marketers who have transformed their lives with our training program.
Yeah.
Go on, sign up now while you still can get in at the lowest price anywhere.
Don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by. Let's take the first step towards your success. Become a successful affiliate marketer today.